bafethu kunjani? Untoza abantu on your screen. Here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu nani niyaza ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba no
Shapa bafethu kunjani igama Remington Mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
Yebo baba.
Utha baba.
Bafethu, on today's episode we are talking about Kaizer Chiefs idlala kwi-CAF idlala ne-Zesco. We're supporting Kaizer Chiefs mabhakaniya namhlanje. Hayi kabi. Yeah. Before we move on, bafethu, this video is powered by 22Bet. Bet responsibly. Betting is not for under 18s. Awubatshela ukuthi bayithola kanjani le bonus.
Bafethu, to get a registration bonus 100%, you just need to go and register, and then you enter the promo code 80 Fusion22. Thank you, baba.
Thank you, bafethu. Yeah. Let's get to the business of the day. Asikhulume ngeZesco. That's where it has to start.
Yeah.
Sikhulume ngeZesco mfethu, awusitshela ukuthi iZesco iyithime kanjani, because remember we're here from South Africa and asikho that deep in terms of like the Zambian league, but just a brief with ZESCO.
Yeah.
What to expect.
All right. From my side, Zesco is a team that I think this season, but they're not doing great. But obviously, because they've qualified to play CAF Confederation, which means they were good.
Somehow.
Yes. So they coming to this game, I feel like by team anyway, concentrate that much Kaizer Chiefs. But it's a game that you should never be confident of, because of their history and all that.
Because of the history head-to-head.
Head-to-head. Yes, because head-to-head, I mean, head-to-head is a scope. We play 2, they won 2. They won away in home. And it's unfortunate we're starting away. So it's a problem either way,
Okay. I guess this is what is it that Kaizer Chiefs has got? Let's start with the traveling squad, the Kaizer Chiefs, to actually beat this team for the first time.
Okay, I think what I've saw before the traveling squad, what I've seen with this Kaizer Chiefs that played their previous game, it's a Chiefs that is willing to fight for the badge. We always fight. We talk about these things. Fight for the badge. So these players, I see them, the players that want to fight for the badge.
Yeah.
So looking at the squad, the only addition that's key for me is seeing Nkosing Pileng on the traveling squad, which is a major one. For me, like, we need him. He's mnand, umnand. So I'm thinking umuntu omnandi, because we cannot be tactical about everything. So I think football omnandi. And I'm thinking fun. So I'm happy with this part.
I think we cannot be tactical. Once you think that machine, very tactical. Yeah, because one thing it gives you is the fact that it allows everyone to play.
Exactly. We need that Kaizer Chiefs. What's a player? Where's I don't know whether it's injured or what. Nothing. I only know 3 players that are injured, so I don't know.
I think let's not say I. That we don't know.
We don't know,
because that information is
not out
do you
know
there
where is third? If you know, tell me on the comment down below.
Tell us on the comment down below.
Okay, tell us.
The fusion is there again.
Tell us.
Yeah, but tell us how. We are football fans here. And we'll keep that culture. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. So moving on. If you see Kaizer Chiefs posing a lot of threats in terms of like away.
I think
game.
I'll personally say, because it's away, we wouldn't want to lose. So we'll settle for a draw. But remember, Zesco doesn't have a point. And for them to stay in the game, in the competition, they need to collect maximum points. So I feel like
I think let's focus more on Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Because Zesco, for me, is that much. I'm being biased.
Yeah.
Rightfully so. We are from South Africa, so our interest is more on Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Hence ngithi do you see Kaizer Chiefs giving a lot of threat
Okay.
abazoyiposa
Okay.
into the opponent?
I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah.
It's 2026, right? The
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs that I've seen, I feel like in this game they wanna win it.
Okay.
Because when you look at defensive wise, Simnandi defensive wise, so there's no problem like for Simnandi.
Yeah.
So the only problem that we always had, it's because we can't score goals. But on this going to this game, I feel like we're gonna win this game.
Okay. So you are happy with the combination?
No, I get it. That is why I'm saying West third.
Ndlovu and
Boy. Right now, I'm happy with that. Don't break it. It's not broken. It's working. It worked. So keep it. It's okay. Because we always emphasize that the Kaizer Chiefs is changing and chopping time and again.
Okay.
So sometimes we need to have something that is stable until it's tested properly. Then you say, well, it's not working. Then you change. But don't go to this game and then you change. So with me, I feel the Kaizer Chiefs this game.
Yeah, ngizwile ke bafethu.
No.
Abanye yeah, ebona nje they must beat them, honestly speaking. I would like to see Kaizer Chiefs doing well in this competition. Yeah, but it's not about support or rivalry at this moment. It's about seeing a South African team doing well in CAF, because that is important. But whether you look at it, having a team as South Africa representing a South African football out there in CAF is important. I cannot stress that so much, but you get my point.
Yeah.
Amakhosi
for life
represent us well there. Khosi ngeke ngithi for life because mina I'm like this. But Khosi
I can't.